Can you hear the people crying? Papua New Guinea. Can you hear the children singing? Papua New Guinea, rise up tonight. Stopping corruption. Papua New Guinea, stopping corruption. Too many people living with pain while the rich keep stealing and the poor keep praying, trying hard just to survive again. Papua New Guinea, stopping corruption. Bring back justice to the land, from the highlands to the islands. Every woman, child, and man, stand up now, raise your voices, let the whole world hear the cry. Papua New Guinea rising like an eagle in the sky. Broken roads across the valleys, children walking in the rain, mothers crying in the marketplaces, trying hard through all the pain. Hospitals without medicine, schools falling apart, while leaders hide behind the power, far away from people's hearts. Every election brings more promises, every speech sounds brave and loud, but after all the votes are counted, truth gets buried in the crowd. Still the people keep surviving, holding on through darkest nights, but corruption keeps on growing like a fire burning bright. Can you hear the people calling? Can you hear the nation cry? A new generation rising, and we will not stand aside. Papua New Guinea, stopping corruption. No more stealing from the poor, no more lies behind the power, no more broken hearts ignored. Papua New Guinea, stopping corruption. Truth is shining like the sun. If we stand and fight together, then the healing has begun. Go beneath the mighty mountains, oil flowing underground, forests reaching to the heavens, natural beauty all around. Yet the people never see it, never feel the blessing come, only hear about the millions while their villages stay numb. Young men dreaming by the roadside, searching for another way. Young girls fighting for an education, hoping for a brighter day. Now the phones are showing everything, nothing hidden anymore. Every secret rising slowly like the waves upon the shore. No more fear, no more silence, no more chains around the poor. We are stronger, we are rising like never ever before. From the coastlines to the highlands, from the islands to the sea, one people standing together, fighting for our destiny. This land is strong and beautiful, mountains touching to the sky, birds of paradise still dancing, river waters rolling by. More than 800 languages, still one heartbeat in the land. Different tribes, but one tomorrow, if together we can stand. The next generation's watching everything we say and do. Will we leave them only struggles or nation proud and true. Papua New Guinea, don't lose your future, don't lose your soul, don't lose your soul. The people still believe, the people still have hope. Stopping corruption, Papua New Guinea, stopping corruption. Hear the thunder in the streets, we won't let them steal the future from the hands of you and me. Stand together, rise forever, take back justice, take back pride. Papua New Guinea rising like an eagle in the sky. Papua New Guinea, stopping corruption. Enough is enough tonight. Papua New Guinea, the future is in your hands. Stopping corruption. Papua New Guinea, can you hear the people crying? Papua New Guinea, can you hear the children singing? Papua New Guinea, rise up tonight. Stopping corruption. Papua New Guinea, stopping corruption. Too many people living with pain, while the rich keep stealing and the poor keep praying, trying hard just to survive again. Papua New Guinea, stopping corruption. Bring back justice to the land, from the highlands to the islands, every woman, child and man. Stand up now, raise your voices, let the whole world hear the cry. Papua New Guinea rising like an eagle in the sky. Broken roads across the valleys, children walking in the rain, mothers crying in the marketplaces, trying hard through all the pain. Hospitals without medicine, schools falling apart, while Papua New Guinea, PNG, talk no get ya, talk no get long corruption. No more fear, no more silence, no more chains around the poor. We are stronger, we are rising like never